Also, I will need to change these IDs because I cannot save the same IDs again and again. Okay, because it's a unique, right? Only one record can be saved. Let me read it again just for your quick info. Video length is going very long. You see, with this, it's going to save two records. Then again, I will run this query. Then I will have a record here. I want to see it in a report dot to list. I want to put this. Why? I really don't know. What is a system dot infrastructure DB query? Okay, maybe we have to use operation to see properly. I really don't know why it's not coming. Mm, because I put a console dot read line, it is stuck. Let me go back. Control shift F10. I can take my control back to this line bottom. Right now, function F10. I got the value. See, 8 records. Something wrong. It didn't come last time. Fine. You remember? Just put the tool list because okay. When to use the tool list, when to use the first default, I'll tell you later. For now, if you want to fetch all the records from a database, this is a query. Okay. Then this is a normal select query. Now I will tell you how do you write a query with your CRM service. These two are the one you're supposed to compare. Now I will reduce your size just because to put everything into your window easily. Let me put it back 100%. Okay, and then also I'll adjust the spacing here. Just I want you to understand. I hope you understand here, right? Model dot save changes this line. Okay, this line model dot save changes in entity framework is equivalent to service dot create, right? Along with the object. But here you pass object for a create operation. But here first you feed all the data, then you just trigger save changes method, right? Now, how do you read using a CRM database? So you just understand these two differences. I am copy pasting this, the above query itself, same as here and here. SQL will be same. So don't worry about SQL statements. I delete this guy. Okay, this is a query for entity framework. Right? I will say this is the entity framework. Here I will say CRM. CRM, there is something called service context. Instead of service context, you assume it is the same as this, but here for this context object, you need to pass a service object variable, and then you will have a context. There is a context file along with it. There is a service object. You see the difference? Only this one has a difference. Then remaining it's the same query. You don't need to change anything. Okay. So where is the service comes from? I will tell you later. But let's understand one small concept. This DB context, right? You know everything from a config. This is generated by the entity framework, and then the connection string information is here. And then whenever you run a program, it uses that connection string internally and it connects. But what happens? This connection gets created every time when you run this console application. But when you do a service operations using a CRM, right, you will just do a connection at once, keep that service into your variable, and then use that variable every time when you want to do a DB operations. That is the difference. I hope you get this. Maybe 20 minutes is a very long length video, but spend some time. Then see. Okay.